Do your indoor plants look healthy but grow slowly, produce small leaves, or simply seem to have lost their energy? Today I'll show you a simple homemade plant care method using common kitchen ingredients that can be used for many indoor plants. First, let's prepare an onion skin solution. Take a handful of clean onion skins and place them in a jug. Add 500 milliliters of hot water, cover it, and let it rest for about 1 hour. Once completely cool, strain the liquid into another 500 milliliters of clean water. Now your mild onion skin solution is ready. Pour a small amount around the base of your indoor plants. This provides small amounts of naturally occurring minerals and organic compounds that can support overall soil and plant health. Next, let's prepare another simple solution using banana peel and coffee. Take a small piece of banana peel, chop it into tiny pieces, and place it in a jug. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee and 500 milliliters of hot water. Cover and let it rest for about 1 hour. After cooling, strain the mixture into another 500 milliliters of clean water. Use this diluted solution as an occasional soil drench around the roots. Don't overuse homemade fertilizers because indoor plants can be sensitive to excess nutrients. For best results, remember the basics. Provide bright, indirect light, use well-draining soil, water only when the plant needs it, and make sure your pots have drainage holes. These simple habits can help many indoor plants stay healthy, greener, and more vigorous. If you enjoyed this natural plant care tip, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.